Hi, Fofamit here, and today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. And if this sound a bit different, it's because I'm actually using a Rode Wireless Go, completely untreated. So I haven't actually changed any of the settings. No post-processing on the microphone at all, just so you can hear what it sounds like. It sounds super awesome. And we're going to talk about that today using a segment from my live stream over on Twitch. I talk about my uses for the Rode Wireless Go, not only as an amazing wireless microphone solution, I also briefly talk about the Rode Wireless Go 2 and compare it, but actually how I use these to monitor my streams. I'm using them as wireless headphones instead of using something like a SteelSeries Arctis Pro wireless, and I talk about why I can't use that for my particular setup. So I hope you enjoy this video, and links for everything will be in the description down below. This video is sponsored by Gamersapps. You can get 10% off your entire order by using my link in the description down below, or you can use the code Fofamit, F-O-F-A-M-I-T. The Mod Mic Wireless is only good for having a wireless microphone if you aren't streaming, because there are better options. I got these, what is it? I'm actually using this right now. I'm not actually using it as my mic. I'm using it for a different purpose. I'm using this. I'm not using the Rode Wireless Go 2, but I do know the difference between the two. I'm using this, the Rode Wireless Go, and I'm using these not as a microphone, but I'm using them for my wireless headphones. If you're looking for a really good wireless solution, I know right now I have the Sennheiser XSWD wireless system recommended there. I have them, they're a good microphone. However, I recently got the Rode Wireless Go. Sorry, I'm not using these for the mic. So these actually have a mic built into them. So right up here, there's a little microphone. This is the microphone component. Here's the USB-C charger, but it also has a built-in battery. It has a line in for microphones, and it has a built-in microphone that you can use there. And you can just clip it onto your shirt as an example. And then this is the receiver. It shows you the receiver battery, the transceiver battery, this battery. It has a volume control on it. It has a line out and also a charger. I'm actually using this in reverse. I have my headphones plugged into here. I have a Go XLR. So your XLR microphone plugs in the back. And here you can plug in your headphones to monitor your microphone and stream sounds. So anything that's happening in the stream, I can hear. So like I can hear the music the same volume that you hear it. I can hear my voice the same that you hear it. And the most important thing to this is that you want it to be in real time. If there's any delay in monitoring, so when you plug in your headphones and you get a delay, that's bad. Because then you're gonna hear like this, and it's gonna make it really, really hard to talk like that. For the most part, people use wired headphones. I know Harris Heller recommends these ones because this is what he uses plugged into his Go XLR. That's what I actually was intending to use. So Sly is actually using this right now. She's using the SteelSeries Arctis Pro wireless, and it works wonderful. It's wonderful. Why am I not using it? Because I have one of these HMCs. The SteelSeries Arctis Pro wireless does not fit over this, so I cannot use them. If you want to have wireless, so I've tried using Bluetooth, but the problem with Bluetooth is that a lot of Bluetooth protocols have a lot of processing delay, and often to get rid of the processing delay, it lowers the sound quality significantly. It basically sounds like you're talking through like one of those single ear mono Bluetooth headsets that you saw like business people like power trip over. It sounded like one of those, really bad. So like, how do you get no delay, wireless with good sound quality? This is how you do it. I've already tried it. So right now I actually have the Sennheiser X. Basically, you can see it here. It's a wireless transceiver receiver. You can get XLR versions as well. You can plug in a mic and the line in or the line out. So your microphone would go here, and then it'd be like wirelessly, you'd be wirelessly speaking here. And what I did was I reversed it. What I can tell you is that the Sennheiser XSWD tends to run hot, meaning that it will peak the headphones very often when you reverse it, because often it'll have a very hot mic, meaning that it will tend to pick up the microphone very loudly. And if you reverse it, then that means your headphones are going to be very loud. I knew that buying a wireless microphone system would work. So I've been hearing about the Rode Wireless Go. And I know that the Rode Wireless Go has on the receiver side, this is the receiver, it has a volume button. You can turn the volume down and up. So I was like, I'm going to take the risk and see if this works to what I want to work. And let me tell you, it works awesome. So this right here, this end, plugs into my Go XLR. And this, my headphone plugs into here. And it's wireless, it's real time, and the audio quality is awesome. And that's what I use. $190. It's a lot of money, but if you're thinking about it in terms of the SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless, the SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless is $400. And once those headphones go, they're gone. They're pretty durable. They're USB-C. And if your headphones die, plug in a new pair of headphones. If you don't want to use them for wireless headphones anymore, you can use it as an awesome wireless mic. Now, there is a second version of the Rode Wireless Go. So this works exactly what I was telling you about. However, if you spend a little bit more money, it's a little bit more, like $350, there's the Rode Wireless Go 2. I do not have these. However, in terms of sound quality, they're the same. But what it has more of is it has more features. I don't know if you'll need these features, but I'll tell you about it. This is the receiver right here. And then it has two transceivers. So these are two microphone things that you can either plug in a mic to or use the built-in microphone. And then this part you can plug into whatever you're recording your sound into, and it's compatible with two. So you can use two of them to record two different people on two separate audio tracks in the device or live in real time by plugging it into like something. Or you can use it and set it up in stereo mode. So like if you wanted to have like stereo, like left and right differentiation in your recording. And then the other killer feature for this, if you plug the receiver into your computer by USB-C, it will natively recognize as a microphone. The only reason I didn't get the Rode Wireless Go 2 is because in Korea, it's like $500-600. And I'm like, I'm not paying $500-600. If you need the two microphones into one receiver, or if you want the USB microphone portion, maybe think about the Rode Wireless Go 2. However, I recently just got the original Rode Wireless Go, and it works great as wireless headphones and a wireless mic. It has a built-in microphone. And if you want to line in, you can. I'd recommend either the Rode Smart LAV or the Rode Lavalier Go. But I would say the Rode Smart LAV would probably be a pretty decent investment. So the Rode Smart LAV you can get here for about $60. And that's probably like if you wanted to get a lav mic, but like the mic on this is pretty decent.
Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you found it somewhat helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to join me in my live stream. Link would be in the description down below, or you can see it on screen. And I'm still using the Rode Wireless Go microphone right now because it sounds so awesome. A special thanks to my patrons, Ira, Gloop Queen, Devin, Carl, Monkey, Eliza Bite, Jabby M, Silmain, Ayumi, and Duckwitsbreen. Thank you so much for your support.